here in Tbilisi, in Levon Saginashvili and his parents' home. Can they share their name?
Mamka.
Lali. How was he as a child? Was he calm guy? Was he aggressive guy? Was he always strong? How many kilos has he born? So it's not that big now. Almost 100% of the community accepts that Levon Saginashvili is the strongest arm wrestler that has ever existed. Does she watch live when the match is? No, can I handle that?